Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use Canva AI for generating images, or even not just images but also graphics and videos. I'll show you this in just simple example. This is my templates page. Okay, I can show you this in any template. Actually, it doesn't matter. This tool works the same in any template. For example, you can create doc, whiteboard, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, videos, whatever. Just for an example, I'll show you this in a doc template. Okay, let's create some doc. This can be one of these documents, whatever. Really, this magic media tool works everywhere. Okay, I'll just create a blank document. Yeah, this is it. And here you can see this toolbar. And what I need to do, what I need to choose, I need to find this magic media tool. If you don't see it right here, if you don't have it right here, you can try to open apps and find it in this list of different apps. Actually, Canva now has a lot of different AI tools, AI powered tools. You can see all of them right here, and I'll try to show you all of them in my next videos, but today I want to show you how to create magic media like images, graphics and videos. Okay, let's open magic media tool, and here you can see that all you need to do is just describe what you would like to create, what you would like this AI to generate for you. Images, graphics or videos, and you need to describe it in preferably at least 5 words. Let's write, I don't know, for example, red flower in the sky, in the blue sky. Okay, yeah, and click enter. Now we need to wait a little bit while this AI tool generating for us our images. Yeah, you can see first images right here. This is examples. You can see we wanted to see a red flower in the blue sky. Yeah, and this is our images. We can add it to our document or any other templates, YouTube thumbnails, whatever. This image has a really good quality, as you can see. And we can't say that this is not a real photo, but a generated image. Yeah, another image is the same, I would say. Yeah, really realistic. And this is another. If you don't like these images, you can click on the button generate again, and you will see another examples. Okay, now if you want to generate some graphics, you can see that graphics are not the same as images. Yeah, this is example of graphics, but let's type also red flower and click enter. Now we also need to wait a little bit while this AI generating for us our graphics. Yeah, this is a realistic I would say images. They look like photos, real photos. Yeah, and this is some graphics. Yeah, if we want to add it to any pictures or your designs, for example, you don't need photo, you just need graphics, you can use this tool. And Again, if you want to see more of these graphics, you just can click on Generate Again button. And also, right now, Canva also have a tool to generate video with AI. Can you imagine this? And this tool actually powered by Runway. Runway is one of the best AI video generators right now. Okay, let's write also red flower and blue sky. Yeah, click enter, and here you can see that it says grab your popcorn. It means that we need to wait a little bit longer because, you know, like video generation takes more time than images, graphics generations. It can take 1 or 2 minutes, like real 1 or 2 minutes, not just seconds. Yeah, you can see that our video is actually ready. Let's edit. Let's see it. Yeah, in this ratio. Okay, let's play. Yeah, very realistic video actually. You can rate it or you can, also you can generate again another video if you don't like this one. Yeah, and this is how you can easily create images, graphics and videos just with AI in seconds. Yeah, images and graphics in seconds and videos maybe in minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. And that's it. This is really easy and you have access to it. You can use it in any document that you create in Canva, in any design that you create in Canva. For YouTube thumbnails, logos, documents, presentations, anything, really anything. Yeah, Canva is a very powerful tool right now. Okay, and this is it. If you have any questions, you can write it in the comments, and if you want some specific videos about Canva or Magic Media tool, you also can write it in comments, and I'll try to show it to you in my next videos.